This is fun. Come over here, honey. The princess is opening her gifts now. Mercy, how do you get it? Oh, she's gonna get it. Good. Good. Oh, look at that.
What is that? Secret fairy homes. Wow. Oh, another Tinkerbell book.
Yeah.
Now, who did these come, all these gifts? You know, Brianna?
They're from friends of ours. Just regular friends.
Another Tinkerbell.
Wow. This must be the latest.
She's kind of into that.
You're like, well, that's a coloring book. Right?
I won't be able to find the books for the paper for you. There's another one. Another book.
Oh, it's a puzzle.
Careful, Brandon.
It's a puzzle.
They're
It's a
puzzles.
Oh, they're
puzzle.
puzzles.
You got puzzles.
Yeah, she loves puzzles.
Here you go.
I bet we can share, right?
Yep, you can share.
Yeah.
Ah. Oh, the big one. Yeah.
Oh, no, what's that?
I like the big one.
Oh, I wonder what that could have.
A cone.
What's this one? What is this one now? This looks kind of a pink box.
What is
I
it?
wonder what it is. Whew.
I didn't put you in it.
Oh. Well, it's not like the other one.
On the bottom.
What is that?
Brianna?
Oh, it's a computer.
You got
A
a computer.
Oh, boy.
I bought that for you. Right? Thank
You'll
you.
give her with Mommy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, look at that.
Ah.
A Barbie
Then
computer.
what's next?
Whoops.
Ooh.
What is that?
Now what? Must be a cup or a glass or something. It looks like a shape, but I'm just guessing.
She doesn't know what it is.
I don't know what.
She's doing a good guess.
I don't know what it is. It could be a. I don't know what it is.
You might not be able to.
Oh!
No.
No.
It looks like a tennis ball
It
to
looks
me.
a little bit like turning into a thermos bottle or something. Oh, mercy. There we go. Paper off the way. No. Oh, boy. Whoa.
Oh, look what it says.
What does it say on there?
No.
Look at the
Read it.
letters. B
Oh,
I
I,
A
I,
N
and
N A. Who's that?
Bina.
Brianna.
Brianna.
That's,
And it's
you
mine.
can put drinks and stuff in there.
Oh, my goodness, now what's some of that? Oh,
Man.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Snowshoes.
oh, it's yellow. This way. She's going to be shoveling snow. Or something.
I bought that for her.
Nice. You must be doing a lot of shopping.
You like your shovel?
Yeah.
Wow. What color is it?
Yellow.
Yellow.
I bought that for you. Thank you. I know you like yellow.
on the handle, Brianna. Rip it up on the handle.
There you go.
Can you rip it up there?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, rip it. There you
Yeah.
Oh,
Roar.
there. Now.
go. Now, there you go.
Oh, stretch it out. There you go. Up, up.
Oh,
Look at that last little piece of it.
too much space.
Hey, Mom, why don't you have to do it? Oh, there we go.
Got it. Whoa,
It's a
I did a good job wrapping them.
shovel.
that's an awful big spoon for you to eat with.
Now you can finish your cereal in one bite. Just like
Now
Daddy.
you clean up.
Now what?
What is it?
Oh,
Clothes?
Yeah.
Oh my.
actually, a dress cut in half.
Now what? Oh my goodness.
What?
Now what?
What is
A
that?
stroller? Now you can push Daddy around.
Is that what you wanted?
You can push me around.
Get it? Look at that.
You can push your cat around.
Look at that, would ya?
He's like, okay, on to the next one.
There's one more right there.
Oh, and there's a couple over there on the couch. Oh, there's a couch over there. Now we got lots of stuff here.
Want to see this? What's he?
You put your drink in there. Can't find
Look it.
his name. Yeah, I know.
Look it.
If I could ever find something, I would definitely get it. What is that?
Oh, we got another
There's
book.
something in there.
Another book.
There's something in there.
Let's see what it is. What's in there? Oh, it's a piece of paper. You know? Put it upside down. There it is.
Oh my, there's another book. Oh no. What is it?
It's a kaleidoscope that goes with it.
Oh, cool.
Oh.
Look at that. Put it in the kaleidoscope. Keaton, give it here. Yeah, put it in here. It's,
And then you see stuff on the page?
yeah. It's like
Oh,
the
that's
things in
neat.
here.
What?
Oh.
Now look through the other end.
Yeah, I'm going to have to check that out.
Maybe this one goes other ones. Yeah. This one I gotta put in.
It's pretty neat.
No. Probably this side. We'll look through this side.
Now what do you see in there?
You see anything?
Yeah.
You turn it.
Want to see? I want to see.
Just wait.
Are you supposed to look at the page with the thing?
Yeah.
And is there an image revealed or something?
I don't know. Good catch.
Oh!
Good catch.
No. No, mine.
He's just
Thank
putting
you.
it there for you. Getting it all ready.
Get that one down there. Get that present down there. And give me the books that you're stepping on.
Yeah.
There you go. Thank you.
That's good.
Is that a card? Let me see. Come here. Oh, you're dropping stuff. Pick it up. There's money.
Let me see it.
Someone's turning 4. Aurora needs a party dress. What color will she choose? Snow White loves to spin and twirl in her dancing shoes. Jasmine's golden necklace gleams and glistens in the light. Cinderella's bluebird friends make sure she looks just right. Each princess is excited. They just can't wait to say, "Happy birthday, 4-year-old. Today's your princess day."
Who's that from?
Wishing you a happy day, love. Erwin and Audrey, Elizabeth and Anne-Marie.
Aw.
Where's the check?
I got it over here, honey.
Okay.
Thank you guys so much.
Yeah. Say to them, thank you.
Thank you.
Over here.
Thank you.
I'll do another one up here.
There it went.
Oh, there we go.
So nice of them.
Papi.
Your puppy? Oh, it's a boppy.
Where's that from?
Who's that?
Oh,
Oh my, look at that.
Papi.
Look, is that a puppy?
Yeah.
Hurry up and get her. Oh,
Oh, you got money.
oh my.
wow.
Look at that. Would
Nice
ya?
Christmas.
Give me the card.
$40 bill. Come in.
Now,
Give me the
who's
money.
that from?
Give me the money. We gotta
Boy.
keep track. Where who we get thank you card still. It goes right in your
I
account.
see that folder. The birthday fairy. This is an unknown name from the birthday fairy.
Oh, here comes another one. Coming up.
What in there?
Oh my, what's coming in there?
Whoa.
Oh,
Whoa.
Let's see.
what's that?
You got a bookmark?
That's mine. No, mine.
And some more money?
Money.
That's for my dad.
Oh.
Oh my.
That's I got.
You're gonna be rich.
Got $5.
Wow. Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa, for all your
Thank
information.
you, Papa.
Great grandma and grandpa.
That's Sam.
Yeah.
No, Sam.
on the other side.
Where did you get it from?
We don't know. We think it's from my sister, but we're not sure.
It was sent in the mail to us.
Heck.
My, what is that?
What's that?
I give that to you too.
What is that?
Looks like a big
It's a
bumblebee.
flashlight.
What?
What? First, somehow.
Just these.
Let me help you.
No.
I think
You give up?
just pull it out.
That tape is kind of hard. You pull it out here.
Yeah.
Pull, pull, pull.
Pull it. Oh, boy, that's pretty. Oh,
There.
oh. Isn't that pretty?
What is
For your
it?
bed, huh?
What
Sorry,
is
honey.
that? Open it up.
What is it?
Oh. It's a handmade quill.
Oh my, isn't that pretty?
Look at that.
Where was that from?
Here's the thing.
One of my friends.
Boy. See what you use? 7 candles on your
What is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, you're
Stickers?
And that me.
Those stickers?
Yeah.
Jewelry spot. Oh, look at what's in there. Whoa, look at all that.
You get to color on here. You color the flowers and the butterflies.
You want me to read it to you?
Yeah.
Tink and the fairies have come to say they hope you have a magical day. One that's enchanted and twinkly too, as sparkly and bright, as adorable as you. Happy birthday, Brianna. You are special. Love, Auntie Tanya.
What color is that?
Pink.
Ooh, boy.
Pink and
Purple.
purple. I think you like pink and purple for some reason. So do you have it on you? You're wearing pink and purple all over.
Oh, look at that. Good. Good. Pretty.
Get it out. Ugh, there you go. That's just paper. There's nothing in there. What is it?
put your kitty cat in there.
Got a purse? Tinkerbell, so then you can be like mommy.
What's coming in? Whoa. Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell calendar. Get to know when to take your Tinkerbell purse to the Tinkerbell Mall and get some more Tinkerbell cards.
What do you say to Auntie Tanya?
Thank you.
You're
Big-
welcome.
Yeah, that's nice.
Boy, I would think you'd get a hug for that, Tanya.
Better give Tanya a hug.
Gotta get it open first. Now, that's gonna go from the bedroom.
I'm gonna give you one. Hold your hand up.
That's fine. Too slow.
I am too slow.
Oh, look at that now.
What's that?
Look.
You got another outfit?
Yeah.
What color is that?
Look.
Huh. That's kind of short from here. You better undo it. Oh, look at now. Isn't look at that, would you?
Whoa,
Look at
Lee.
this,
Wow.
Brianna.
Pretty.
The dress. We're
be a
headed
nice
to
Sunday
school
outfit.
tomorrow. Yeah, we're for school. Or for Sunday. A pencil box?
Wow.
All your
Let me
treasures
see.
in there. You like that, won't you?
Or
What do you say to Auntie Tanya?
thank you.
You're welcome.
Or glasses.
Yeah. That it?
Yeah.
One big one.
We got one big
Go.
one. Okay.
Look.
The hair and the
Dum dum dum.
oh, here comes the big one.
Dum 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 dum.
What is this? Huh?
Mine.
Yours?
Oh, she's messing up that pretty paper.
What is it?
Coloring.
They got a house for their birthday.
Wow.
It's a fort. It's a fort that you can.
Playhouse.
The cardboard playhouse that you can draw on. Yep.
Oh, boy. Put that one up.
Yeah. Oh.
Maybe let Tanya get a good picture of it. Maybe swing it over there.
Gotta go get Tanya.
Ooh,
Can you stand by it, Brianna? You and Keaton together?
There.
whoa.
Oh,
Look
can
this
you see
way.
the house?
Yeah.
You guys
This
stand
way.
over there.
Look toward Tanya.
There you go.
Whoa, now you're covering up.
Hey guys,
Oh,
Keaton, Brianna.
there we
There.
go.
Thank you. That's gonna be fun.
You can see the picture of that.
Oh, there's a door.
Yeah, it's a little playhouse. You can color with.
I can always reinforce it with steel rebar. Put a nice little alarm system on it.
I'm in
Got an
here.
idea.
Is anybody in here?
Do you want to color it now?
They love.
The kids last year had just a box and they big
Brianna,
box
can you go in there?
Go in the door.
Yeah.
In the
You
door.
each can put your head in there.
Yeah.
You go in there with Keaton?
Yeah.
Maybe we should put it in another room. They might have more room.
They would.
Here you guys are.
Hey! Woo!
Keep in there. Keep in there a minute. Do one more.
One more. Put your head up there.
Brianna.
Need another head there.
Whoa!
There.
You got on Auntie Tanya's glasses?
Your
You
turn
dizzy?
next.
Look at mommy up close.
Look at mommy.
Look at mommy. She looked like me when I was younger.
Can you see okay?
No.
No.
Can you get her up close?
Yeah.
Okay. Stare at mommy, Rose. Just hold still and look at mommy. There you go. Thank you.